The steps in respiration. The first step in respiration is breathing. Breathing is sum total of inspiration and expiration. Both of these process are of two types: normal inspiration and forced inspiration. Similarly, normal expiration and forced expiration. Inspiration is normal or forced. It is active process. It is active not in the sense of energy. It is in the sense whether muscles contract or not. If certain muscles contract during a process, it is called active process. Otherwise, it is passive. So, in normal inspiration or forceful inspiration, certain muscles contract. Therefore, process is active. Normal expiration is a passive process because the muscles which contract during inspiration simply relax during uh, normal expiration. Therefore, process is passive. But certain muscles contract during forceful expiration. Therefore, it is uh, a active process. Now, muscles which contracts during inspiration includes diaphragm. This is diaphragm. Diaphragm is found in between thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. This is normal shape of diaphragm. It is dome-like during relaxation. This is this is the size of thoracic cavity in relaxed state. But when this muscle contract, it increases the size of thoracic cavity because diaphragm becomes flat. Now the see the size of thoracic cavity. It is enlarged. So contraction of diaphragm increases the size of thoracic cavity lengthwise. External intercostal muscles and internal costal muscles are found in between ribs. This is vertebral. This is sternum, which is also called as breastbone. This is vertebral column. This ribs connects two bones, vertebral column and sternum. Two muscles are found in between ribs. One originates from this rib, innervates the next rib, and this muscle is called internal intercostal muscle. This muscle originates from this rib and innervates the upper rib. This is external intercostal muscle. When this muscle contract, ribs is elevated, and when this muscle contracts, ribs are depressed. So external intercostal muscle contracts during inspiration, and internal inspiratory muscles contract during forceful expiration. Now, how does respiration breathing mechanism occurs? During inspiration, during inspiration, inspiratory muscles contract. It increases the size of thoracic cavity. When thoracic cavity is enlarged, lungs expand. Expansion of lungs leads to the decrease in alveolar pressure. When the alveolar pressure goes below atmospheric pressure, air enters from outside to inside. Exactly opposite event occurs during uh, expiration. During expiration, what happens? Inspiratory muscles stop contraction. मतलब it relaxes. Thoracic cavity is decreased, lungs is compressed, alveolar pressure increases, air from inside goes to outside.